we are in the process of recruiting a new CEO. Even the current CEO, Dr. Anton Omarikwa, has been summoned at the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission. And they have written a letter to NSSF. That letter, I don't think whether it is here, it's what I was checking. Where they are saying that if we appoint as a board of NSSF, what they has written to us, we must send the names to Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission for them to choose for us a CEO for NSSF. The National Social Security Fund Act doesn't say that the powers of appointing CEO lies in the hands of Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission. They are interfering in the process of recruiting the CEO or the managing trustee for the National Social Security Fund. They have vested interest in workers' money for the forthcoming elections. And what they want is to appoint a CEO of their own choice. Since when? It is us, after we have appointed or before we appoint somebody, it is the board that requests the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission, maybe secretly, to check on the previous records of the new holder of that particular new office. It has not been a practice and not practiced anywhere in all independent boards. The powers to recruit, the powers to discipline, the powers to do anything lies in the hands of the board.